Hi guys, we just arrived here at Mondikot Deer Camp. We just talked with the owner. The owner is very welcoming, and we have a good chat about this place. This place is amazing.
So amazing.
So amazing. Alright, but right now we're going to do some room tour so you can see the room here at Mondikot Deer Camp. They only have 2 chalet here. This is the chalet that we're going to stay for tonight, and there's another chalet behind us, just next to each other.
Welcome.
Alright, what's so nice about the, what you call this, the small veranda? They have the sitting place.
Sit half balcony, half resting place.
Alright, it's a half balcony. It's so nice.
It's so
I really love this place. So when you go inside,
welcome.
oh,
What's this one?
oh, it's so peaceful.
That's the mirror.
It's a beautiful painting over there.
So you don't need to bring any extra bricks and them for other people.
And this is the toilet. Oh, even the toilet smells good, right?
More than you.
This place is amazing.
Daddy, you smell so sweaty. More
Yeah
than
lah.
toilet.
All right.
That's it for now. Oh yeah, chairs.
Yeah,
Extra pillow.
awesome.
Extra stuffy.
So that's it. That's the room tour here at Mondikot Deer Camp. Later, we're going to have a tour of this place. So, see you guys again later. Hi guys, we're still here at Mondikot Deer Camp, and all I can say, this place is actually very amazing. Another hidden gems in Sabah that you can, I think more and more people should come here and experience the tranquility of this place. It's so beautiful, and the fact that the beauty of this place comes from the nature. Whew, amazing guys. This place is really beautiful and you should come here. And they have 2 chalet here, and they also have like a camping space, covered space for you to camp, to set up your tent. And yeah, Mondikot Deer Camp is very close to the river. As you can see at my back, that's the Mondikot Deer Camp, and just next to it is the river. Let's go!
Already see the sign or something.
Alright guys, thank you so much for joining our family adventure here in Papar, and we spent a night at Mondikot Deer Camp. It's been amazing and great day great time we have here in Papar. And if you guys looking for an adventure with your family next time, we highly suggest this place. And if you like the video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to Sabah Tourism channel. And I'm JLVJ. I'm looking forward to see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much, and bye-bye.